Hi, I'm Sophia, and welcome to this beautiful journey of top interior design ideas for modern home decor, Part 3. Enjoy the video. And there you have it, folks. The ultimate guide to transforming your living space with the most stunning modern interior design ideas. I hope you enjoyed every bit of inspiration we shared in Top Interior Design Ideas for Modern Home Decor Part 3. As you begin your home decor journey, remember this profound life lessons. A house is made of bricks and beams, but a home is made of hopes and dreams. Cherish the moments, invest in your sanctuary, and let your home be a reflection of the wonderful journey called life. So, let's spread the love for beautiful homes. But before you go, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our future home decor explorations, and share it with friends who need a touch of modern elegance in their lives. Your support means the world to us, and we can't wait to have you back for more incredible ideas. Until next time, keep designing and living your best life. Take care.